Every journey has a story, and today's begins the moment the wheels start turning. Which connects surprisingly to this, U-turns feel easiest when you look over your shoulder toward where you want to finish. Honey found sealed in ancient tombs remained perfectly edible after millennia. Here is a thought: while we cruise along, underinflated tires overheat, wear their shoulders bald, and quietly drink extra fuel. Hyderabad wears many faces across its neighborhoods, each with its own pace and personality. And if that surprised you, Atal Tunnel burrows beneath Rohtang as one of the highest highways on the planet. This stretch shows how road width quietly changes everyone's behavior. Stay curious, stay visible, and enjoy every kilometer in between.